Benefits of melatonin with source. Benefits: can support better sleep, could reduce symptoms of seasonal depression, may increase levels of human growth hormone, can promote eye health, may help treat GERD. Natrol, melatonin, time release, extra strength review. Description: sleep, fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, 100% drug-free, extra strength, vegetarian, dietary supplement. Natrol melatonin 5 mg time release. 2-layer tablet. Outer layer releases melatonin quickly to help you fall asleep faster, followed by the controlled release of an inner layer to help you sleep through the night. Contains vitamin B6 to support the body's natural production of melatonin. Helps establish normal sleep patterns. 100% drug-free and non-habit forming. Melatonin is a nighttime sleep aid for occasional sleeplessness. Suggested use: take 1 tablet 20 minutes before bedtime. Warnings: you may experience some residual drowsiness. If you are under medical supervision or using any tranquilizers or sedatives, seek the advice of your healthcare professional prior to using. Consult your healthcare professional prior to use if you have an autoimmune condition, depressive disorder, or are pregnant or lactating. Not for use by children under 12 years of age. Do not take when operating machinery or driving a vehicle. Store in a cool, dry place. Keep out of reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.